Welcome to today's Human Body and Health Quiz. You'll answer 10 multiple choice questions. You have 10 seconds to think about each one. Let's see how well you know your stuff. Good luck! Question 1. Which organ in the human body produces insulin? A. Liver. B. Kidney. C. Pancreas. D. Spleen. The correct answer is C. Pancreas. The pancreas produces insulin in clusters of cells called the islets of Langerhans. Without insulin, glucose cannot enter cells properly, which is the core problem in diabetes. Question 2. How many bones does an adult human body typically have? A. 196. B. 206. C. 216. D. 186. The correct answer is B. 206. Adults have 206 bones, but babies are born with around 270 to 300. Many of these fuse together during childhood and adolescence, reducing the total number significantly. Question 3. Which blood type is known as the universal donor for red blood cell transfusions? A. AB positive. B. A negative. C. O negative. D. B positive. The correct answer is C. O negative. O negative blood lacks A, B, and Rh antigens, making it safe to give to patients of any blood type in emergencies. It is in constant high demand at blood banks worldwide. Question 4. What is the largest organ in the human body? A. Liver. B. Large intestine. C. Lungs. D. Skin. The correct answer is D. Skin. The skin is the largest organ, covering about 1.7 to 2 square meters in adults and accounting for roughly 15% of total body weight. It acts as a critical barrier against infection and regulates body temperature. Question 5. Which part of the brain is primarily responsible for regulating balance and coordination? A. Cerebrum. B. Cerebellum. C. Hypothalamus. D. Medulla oblongata. The correct answer is B. Cerebellum. The cerebellum, located at the back of the brain, fine-tunes motor activity and maintains posture. Although it makes up only 10% of the brain's volume, it contains more than half of all the brain's neurons. Question 6. Approximately how long does it take for a complete set of red blood cells to be replaced in the human body? A. 30 days. B. 60 days. C. 120 days. D. 180 days. The correct answer is C. 120 days. Red blood cells have a lifespan of about 120 days before they are broken down by the spleen and liver. The bone marrow continuously produces new red blood cells to replace them. Question 7. Which vitamin is synthesized by the human body when skin is exposed to sunlight? A. Vitamin A. B. Vitamin C. C. Vitamin K. D. Vitamin D. The correct answer is D. Vitamin D. UVB radiation from sunlight triggers the synthesis of vitamin D in the skin from a cholesterol-based precursor. Vitamin D is essential for calcium absorption and bone health, and deficiency is surprisingly common worldwide. Question 8. What is the medical term for the kneecap? A. Fibula. B. Patella. C. Tibia. D. Meniscus. The correct answer is B. Patella. The patella is a small, flat bone embedded in the quadriceps tendon at the front of the knee. It protects the knee joint and improves the mechanical advantage of the quadriceps muscle during extension. Question 9. Which chamber of the heart pumps oxygenated blood to the rest of the body? A. Right atrium. B. Left atrium. C. Right ventricle. D. Left ventricle. The correct answer is D. Left ventricle. The left ventricle has the thickest muscular walls in the heart because it must generate enough pressure to push oxygenated blood through the entire systemic circulation, from head to toe. Question 10. Which enzyme found in saliva begins the chemical digestion of carbohydrates? A. Pepsin. B. Lipase. C. Amylase. D. Trypsin. The correct answer is C. Amylase. Salivary amylase, also called ptyalin, starts breaking down starch into simpler sugars the moment food enters the mouth. This is why if you chew a plain cracker long enough, it begins to taste slightly sweet. That's all the questions for today. Drop your score in the comments, I'd love to know how you did. If you enjoyed the quiz, hit like and subscribe for a new quiz every week. See you next time.